What do I write? What do I write? And sometimes you're just looking at a lifeless page of copy and you're like wondering, what do I write? What do I write? I can't think of anything. And it happens to the best of us. So hey, I'm Devashish Conger from PitchGround, and today we're going to look at 5 steps or 5 hacks that can solve your copywriting problems and make you a better copywriter. So let's go on. Number 1 hack. Use conversational language. Like if your customer is reading a copy with a language that he's familiar with, he speaks, then obviously he'll be more understanding to the copy, he'll like it more, he'll read it more. Plus, when you're having a conversation, you're selling something or you're writing something that has a conversational tone to it, people are more appreciative to it and they would want to buy it, they want to read your copy more, and thus you'll increase your engagement. Yeah. Use active voice. I know this is a very common thing that a lot of copywriters do forget when they're writing anything, but using active voice is a very essential part of writing a copy, because whenever you're using active voice, the audience, the customers, the readers, they will respond to you better. Instead of using passive voice, like find the difference between passive and active voice first, like if you don't know about it, then writing active voice, because it's more resonating, it's more powerful, and it's more personal when you're writing in an active voice. Number 3, appealing to emotions. Okay, emotion appeal is a very big part of advertisement and even a very big part of copywriting. When you're writing a copy, you need to cater to specific emotions. Okay, for example, when you're selling a product like say a baby powder, then you have to appeal to the mother's emotion, because that's how you're going to connect. Like, okay, this baby powder is very good for your child and it will help them, they'll take care of this. And obviously that emotional appeal that, okay, I have to be a good mother, I have to care for my child, will help in you selling the product. And that's how you appeal to certain emotions. Different emotions, there are several emotional appeals. There can be humorous, that can be satirical, that can be like emotional. But you need to find the perfect emotional appeal to every single one of your copies, because that's how you're going to attract the crowd and also connect with them more. You know, our brains are like so mesmerizingly amazing, but we can never truly figure out what it is. So like all, the brain has a function that it always remembers rhyming things. So number 4 is using rhyming phrases and sentences and copies. So like if you can make it rhyme, you'll definitely win it big time. Okay, I just made one under one, but yeah, when you're writing a copy, if you make it rhyming, it'll grab more attention, it'll stick to the person's head, whoever is watching it or reading it. Here are some examples of rhyming copies. They're really fine. Number 5, call to action. And this one is obviously the most important part of a copy. When you're writing a copy and you hit the final stage, the home run of everything. So when you're writing a CTA, a call to action, remember, do not write it simply like buy now, next, or something like that. You know, use things like enroll on this course, send me my free copy, get me my new account, or something like that. That, you know, invokes a certain emotion in people and they actually like it. But you also have to remember that you can't force something onto someone. Instead of like enroll the course now, it sounds a little bit like demanding, but you have to consider that people need the option to choose. So end everything with the, you know, but you are free. This is a very important psychological technique that copywriters use throughout the world to sell products. When you are giving people a choice to, you know, buy anything they want, instead of forcing someone to take a 12-month course, you just tell them all the benefits of the course, all the functionalities of the course, and what will they provide. I mean, you know, give them the option to choose, and that is how you will increase your PTAs, your call to actions, your overall engagement, and, you know, get a little bit sales from it. Now we have reached the end of this video. If you like our tips, if you like these videos, do comment what more should we cover. Like this video and do subscribe and push the bell icons, because we're going to give you more tips and trips just like this every single week. Bye now.